Hey there, money sending savvy folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips for everyday challenges. Today, we're tackling how to send money from Qatar to Turkey. Whether you're supporting family abroad, handling business transactions, or just need to send funds quickly, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First off, why send money from Qatar to Turkey? It's often for remittances, investments, or personal needs, and with the right method, it can be seamless. The key is choosing the best option for you. Popular choices include traditional banks like Qatar National Bank, international services like Western Union or MoneyGram, or modern apps like Wise and Revolut. Each has its pros. Banks offer security but might have higher fees, while apps are faster and often cheaper. Now, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Gather your essentials. You'll need a valid ID, such as your Qatar ID or passport, the recipient's full name, address, and bank details in Turkey, plus your own bank information. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Step 2. Compare exchange rates and fees. Use online tools or apps to see current rates. Fluctuations can save or cost you money. For example, Wise often has competitive rates with low fees, making it ideal for larger transfers. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. If you're using a bank, visit a branch or use their online portal. For services like Western Union, head to a local agent in Qatar or do it via their app. Enter the amount, select the currency, Qatari Riyal to Turkish Lira, and confirm the details. Step 4. Complete and track. After sending, you'll get a transaction reference. Most services allow you to track the status online. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on the method. A few quick tips. Always prioritize security. Use reputable services to avoid scams. Also, be aware of any limits. Qatar has regulations on outbound transfers, so check with your bank first. And remember, exchange rates change, so send when rates are favorable. There you have it. Sending money from Qatar to Turkey doesn't have to be complicated. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going.